twitch at the windowsill. Sun pops up over daffodils. Tiny paws on the wooden floor. Tip tap to the bedroom door. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Tattletale, full of celebration. Hey! Bunny ears crooked on her little head. Glitter egg treasures under every bed. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Soft meow, springtime dedication. Follow those paws to the pastel trail. Every hop, every purr, every wagging tail. Pink bow tied on her collar bell. Basket strings in her teeth as well. Hides one egg by the story chair. Another one tucked in the teddy's hair. Shh. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Tattletale, full of celebration. Oh yeah. Bunny ears crooked on her little head. Glitter egg treasures under every bed. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Soft meow, springtime dedication. Follow those paws to the pastel trail. Every hop, every purr, every wagging tail. Kids creep out, sleepy-eyed parade. Who left clues on the lemonade? Willow blinks slow, sitting proud and neat. Little queen of the cotton sheet street. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Tattletale, full of celebration. Bunny ears crooked on her little head. Glitter egg treasures under every bed. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Soft meow, springtime dedication. Follow those paws to the pastel trail. Every hop, every purr, every wagging tail.